What's the meaning of ATF? ATF. ATF.
ATF. ATF. ATF is an initialism that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. However, it is most commonly used to refer to the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives, ATF, a law enforcement agency in the United States Department of Justice that focuses on enforcing laws related to firearms, explosives, arson, and alcohol and tobacco diversion. The ATF has been involved in high-profile cases such as the 1993 Waco siege and the investigation into the 2013 Boston Marathon bombing.